Good evening.
Hello, sir.
You know why I'm stopping you?
Nope.
No idea. Still no idea.
I don't know.
Hauling ass?
I wasn't hauling ass.
You were not.
I wasn't.
Alright, license and registration, please. Do you hang around, frequent the Glencoe area as well? Where do you live at? Like a couple months ago.
Gotcha.
So, yeah, but... Alright, where are you heading? Somewhere back this way?
Yeah, I'm bringing it.
Alright. Bravo 53 Central.
Go ahead.
I just had a truck hit me with his mirror on my traffic stop. He is westbound on 30th.
Emergency traffic, Bravo 53.
Channel 1 Channel 1.
I'm code 4. He's turning down Kumquat south from 30th to Gray Titan. Driver! Driver! Shut the car! Slowly! Slow! Turn away from me! No, we don't need rescue.
Let me see when the light hits, because if there's marks, I'll take a picture.
It hit me here, dude, on my back. It was just the mirror.
It hit you?
Yes, go look at the mirror. Boom! Just right in my back.
I thought it hit your mirror.
Oh no, it hit me.
Oh, mother.
Front of whistle stop.